Sarah clutched the lease agreement, its thin paper crinkling nervously in her hand. The rent was unbelievably cheap for a one-bedroom apartment in the city, almost suspiciously so. But Sarah, a recent college graduate with mounting student loans, couldn't afford to be picky. Moving day arrived, and Sarah hauled in her meager belongings. The apartment was small, older, with a faint musty smell clinging to the air. But it was hers. As she began unpacking, a strange feeling settled over her, a prickling sensation at the back of her neck. It felt as though someone, or something, was watching her. The first night, Sarah swore she heard faint footsteps coming from the empty room across the hall. Sleep was elusive, punctuated by unexplained creaks and groans from the old building. The next morning, she found her belongings, carefully organized the night before, scattered across the floor. A cold fear began to grip her. Days turned into weeks, and the unexplained occurrences intensified. Objects moved on their own. Whispers seemed to come from the walls. At night, Sarah would wake up to the feeling of something heavy pressing down on her chest, making it difficult to breathe. She felt a constant chilling presence, a silent roommate. Sarah reached out to her landlord, a gruff old man who lived downstairs. He listened to her story with a knowing nod. This place has always had its quirks, he admitted. Some tenants are more sensitive to them than others. Speak FB, profanity filter desperate. Sarah began researching the apartment and APO's history. She unearthed stories of previous tenants who had fled under mysterious circumstances. One spoke of a young couple who claimed to see shadowy figures and felt invisible hands brushing against them. Another mentioned a constant feeling of being watched, of someone else existing in the apartment unseen. Sarah knew she couldn't and APO's stay, not if she wanted to keep her sanity. Packing her bags felt like a weight lifting off her shoulders. As she left, she couldn't and APO's help but glance back at the dark doorway, a sense of relief battling with a strange, chilling curiosity. The unseen roommate remained, a mystery locked within the walls of the apartment, waiting for the